Hey everyone, welcome to my channel Vibha Kashyap.
Let's learn Kagunithakshara. Vyanjana consonant plus swara vowel is equal to Gunithakshara. Now we will learn how to write it for Ka letter along with Gunithakshara words. K plus A is equal to Ka. Ka kamala. Kamala lotus. Ka kamala. K plus A is equal to Ka. Ka kage. Kage crow. Ka kage. K plus E is equal to Ki. Ki kitaki. Kitaki window. Ki kitaki. K plus E is equal to Ki. Ki kita. Kita insect. Ki kita. K plus U is equal to Ku. Ku kudure. Kudure horse. Ku kudure. K plus U is equal to Ku. Ku ಕೂದಲು. ಕೂದಲು hair. Ku ಕೂದಲು. K plus ru is equal to Kru. Kru ಕೃಷಿ. ಕೃಷಿ agriculture. Kru ಕೃಷಿ. K plus A is equal to K. K ಕೆರೆ. ಕೆರೆ lake. K ಕೆರೆ. K plus A is equal to K. K ಕೇಳು. ಕೇಳು listen. K ಕೇಳು. K plus I is equal to ಕೈ. ಕೈ hand. ಕೈ ಕೈ. K plus O is equal to ಕೋ. ಕೋ ಕೊಡೆ. ಕೊಡೆ umbrella. ಕೋ ಕೊಡೆ. K plus O is equal to ಕೋ. ಕೋ ಕೋಳಿ. ಕೋಳಿ hen. ಕೋ ಕೋಳಿ. K plus ಔ is equal to ಕೌ. ಕೌ ಕೌರವ. ಕೌರವ ಕೌರವಾಸ್. ಕೌ ಕೌರವ. K plus is equal to ಕಂ. ಕಂ ಕಂದ. ಕಂದ baby. ಕಂ ಕಂದ. K plus aha is equal to kaha. Let's revise the Gunithakshara. Ka. Ka. Ki. Ki. Ku. Ku. Kru. Ke. Ke. Kai. Ko. Ko. Kau. Kam. Kaha.